Hello, welcome guys. Today in this video, gonna to show you how to uninstall or remove apps and program in Windows 10 PC. So guys, if you want to remove apps and program in Windows 10 PC, so very easy. First you click on Start, tab here, Add and Remove. Okay, click on Add or Remove Programs, and here list of programs. If you want to firstly choose as you like. After selected, and here option uninstall, so click on uninstall. So guys, this is very simple and easy method if you want to install, uninstall or remove apps and program in Windows 10 PC. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for latest update.